Hello, welcome back. In this video we'll discuss about the for loop. So before going to the for loop, before writing any code, I will give the syntax first, and then I'll write the code, similar code for the while loop as well. So let me remove the code of the do while loop, and first let me discuss about the syntax. So in case of for loop, you have to write the for keyword, and then you have to use the initialization ini. First you have to specify the initialization condition, and after that you have to specify the semicolon, then you have to specify the condition, and after that you have to specify the increment. And inside this two bracket means you have to specify the curly braces, and inside this braces what you can do, you can write your code, okay, code to be executed. So this one is the basic syntax of it. So in case of initialization, what you can do, you can give the initialization part. For example, let me copy it first, okay, and in the part of initialization you can specify one variable declaration integer I, and it should be equal to, you have to specify 0 or 1. So in this case I am using I am starting from 0, okay, and the condition that was used in our previous video, we'll use the same, less than equals to 5, and the increment will be I++. So if we'll do like this, so loop will start from 0 and it will go till 5, and whatever you want to print, then that code you can write over here. So in our case it was info, and then you have to use strfmt, okay, like this way, and inside this you can specify iteration number, and specify percentile 1, and after that you have to specify the variable name like this way. So this is a simple statement for the while loop, and that's it. If we'll build the code and execute the code, it will produce the same result like while loop and do while loop, okay. So let me build it. So our build process completed. Now I have to click here to see the result. As you can see, our code executed successfully, and you can see the result. It is starting from 0, iteration number 0, and it is ending till 5 because we have written the condition like this way, okay. The for loop is similar to while loop but has the few additional points that you have to remember. So in this case you can see that the initial value to control a variable can be assigned, and it is having the condition inside it, and it contains a statement for updating the variable. So we are updating the variable in the same statement inside the for loop itself, but this increment part in case of while loop it was inside the bracket, but you can see it is present here. So we have to use the semicolon, you have to remember that, okay. So these additional conditions or these features of the for loop make it especially useful for traversing lists, containers and arrays because they have a fixed number of elements. You can also apply a statement to each element and increment your way through the elements, setting the conditions to test for the last element, okay. So that's it for this video. If you have any question regarding this for loop, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to solve your problem as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.